Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is login history. Login history basically talks about the users who log into the org, whether the login is successful or failure, and how they basically login via browser or login via API. All these information available at login history. In login history, we get information about username, login time, source IP, location, login type, status, browser, platform, application, client version, API type, API version, login URL, and HTTP method. Navigation for login history, setup, settings, identity, login history. To see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, settings, identity, expand this, then login history. So this is the login history view we are seeing. Download the last 6 months of login history or filter and show up to 20,000 records of login history for the last 6 months. So here it's giving the facility to save the file, type in CSV file or zip file. So download option file contents is all logins, HTTP get logins only, TLS 1.1 logins only, website logins only, and here there is a download now button. So here we are seeing the username, login time, source IP, location, login type, status, browser, platform, application, client version, API type, API version, login URL, and HTTP method. So if all we need the information of login, we can took from here. So by this way we can track our login history. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.